Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix parent access code issue in Google Family Link.
Fix 1. Ensure correct Google account. Step 1. Open the Family Link app on your device. Step 2. Make sure you are signed in with the parent's Google account. Step 3. Try entering the access code again. Fix 2. Restart devices. Step 1. Turn off both parent and child devices. Step 2. Turn them back on and open the Family Link app. Step 3. Enter the parent access code again. Fix 3. Update Family Link app. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Search for Family Link and check for updates. Step 3. Update the app and enter the parent access code. Fix 4. Reset parent access code. Step 1. Open Family Link on the parent device. Step 2. Go to Settings, Account Info, Reset Access Code. Step 3. Follow prompts to create a new code and enter it on the child's device.